We also have Michelle Choi down on the island checking out conditions along the seawall. Michelle, you spent all day on Galveston Island yesterday ahead of the storm. How's it looking right now? You're still blowing about there.
Well, guys, over the last 30 minutes, we've been kind of driving around Seawall Boulevard. We've moved about a little further south. We're now along 85th Street. I wanted to give you guys a better look at what we're seeing out on the waters right now. Take a look at this storm surge. We've managed to get a little bit closer. You can see how close it is to the Seawall Boulevard here. Now, the wind, of course, is the big story this morning here in Galveston. Take a look, guys, at this, what I believe is a protecting a porta potty kind of storage unit. You can see its outer walls completely ripped off. Looks like this thing can peel away any minute now. It's been flapping around for the last couple of minutes since we've gotten here. It just gives you an idea of just how strong these winds are. I also want to mention about the power outages. It appears that everything south of 61st Street, people out here are waking up in the dark, guys. In the last 10 minutes or so, I've seen several flashes of blue light lighting up this night sky. It appears that there are transformers that are exploding. I've seen at least two in the last 20 minutes, just to give you an idea of another major issue Galveston's dealing with this morning, which again is power outages. We'll of course continue to stay out here and keep you guys posted on the changing conditions. For now, I'm going to send it back to you.